Welcome to a modern, sustainable dream home. 2 stories, a pool, and a lush, eco-friendly landscape create a new kind of quiet luxury living. From the street, the house feels calm and confident. Natural materials, native plants, and smart technology tell you this is a future-ready home before you even step inside. In the backyard, the mood shifts into a private resort. A geometric pool, integrated spa, and soft organic planting make this space perfect for slow mornings and long summer evenings. At night, layered lighting transforms everything. Underwater LEDs, path lights, and hidden spotlights make the garden feel magical and safe with very little energy. Inside, one open, sun-filled kitchen living space faces the pool. Natural materials, soft curves, and big glass doors blur the line between indoors and outdoors. Upstairs, the master suite and spa-like bathroom become a private retreat. And a compact garden-facing home office keeps you focused, inspired, and connected to nature every day. If you love sustainable luxury design, subscribe and get inspired with us.